This is Michael with IT Lever Solutions. In this quick tip video, I'll be showing you how to create a new content rotator slide for your responsive website using the Widget tile content rotator. A content rotator is primarily made of content blocks. Each content block slide is built using a home page rotator snippet or similar named snippet within your SiteCM manager. It consists of a background image layer and a foreground text layer that has the option of a link with a custom style, making it look like a button. I've already logged into the SiteCM manager. The first thing we'll need is an image for our new content rotator slide. I'm going to navigate to Assets and Images. Your SiteCM manager should have an image category named Header Images Do Not Delete or Homepage Rotator, depending on your site design. Typically, the homepage content rotator requires a very specific size of image. Your SiteCM support specialist will have provided those image details to you during training and will have noted the description field of the category containing the homepage content rotator slides, similar to the header images category. For sake of this demonstration, we're going to assume that you already know how to upload an image to the Assets and Images area, and you've cropped the image to the correct size. For this demonstration, we're going to be using this image as our new background image for our new content rotator slide. The next area in SiteCM we navigate to is Assets and Content Blocks to build our new content rotator slide. The homepage rotator category will contain a slides category and a rotator D&D content block. This content block contains the drop-in application called the content rotator. You'll never need to edit this block. The slides category is the category of content blocks we'll be working with. Each one of these individual content blocks is a slide within the homepage content rotator. The more active content blocks you add to the category, the more slides will show within the content rotator. To add a new slide to a category, simply right-click on the category and select Add Item to Category. Give it a name. It could be Slide 3, or it could be the topic of the rotator slide. The choice is yours. For this demonstration, I'm going to name it Slide 3. The rank number determines the order of this slide amongst its other slides in the same category. So if you want your new slide to appear first, give it a rank number that's small. If you want it to appear more toward the end of the slides, give it a rank number that's large. Slides categories should be selected. Active date and deactivation date. These are optional fields you can use to set a activation date to your content block slide. If you'd like the slide to appear at a later time and then deactivate itself at a later time, you can use these fields to do so. Make sure your content block is active. Active is a light switch. It turns on and off your content block. Show in RSS is not used for the content rotator content. Click the Edit button. You're now looking at a blank canvas for your new content rotator slide. Insert a content rotator snippet. I've located the homepage rotator snippet, which is applicable to this site design. Inserting the content rotator snippet or the homepage rotator snippet, you'll be presented with a foreground text layer to edit and a background image layer. To change the foreground text layer, it's recommended that you just select the text and type over it. Here's a helpful tip on updating your CSS styled button. If this button is to link to another page on your website, simply click your mouse cursor on the button, use your local link manager to link the button to another page, and then use your hyperlink manager to style the link to look like a button. We do that using our right click and properties. In the Hyperlink Manager, you'll find the URL field, the link text, any target information if you wish to change these, and your CSS class dropdown. Clicking the dropdown next to CSS class, you'll find all your buttons available for your site. Let's choose the button Basic Custom Style and click OK. We now have our button. To update the background image, we bring our mouse cursor to the very top of the editor window and we click. This should show that the image has now been selected and is ready to be replaced by a new image we insert. We click on the Insert Image tool choose our image, and insert the image. This will load a new image in place of the old image. We click our Close button, and we click our Update button, thus adding our new slide to the category and adding our new slide to the rotator. Thanks again.